Hello children, welcome back. We were doing children Unit 3 Pros My Day, isn't it children? So yesterday in our previous video we have completed the Pros My Day. We have seen and learned the daily routine of Neha from morning till night. Okay children? Okay. Today we are going to revise the routine. Okay children, we are going to revise the routine of Neha once again. Okay children, after that we will do one textual question, that is question number A from your textbook. Got it children? Okay, now let's go and revise the pros again. So children, at the beginning of the story, we got to know from Neha that she wakes up in the morning, then she gets up from her bed, and after that she washes her face. She says one thing about her teddy, that her teddy does not wash his face. Yes children, her teddy does not wash his face. Okay? Now let's go to the next slide. Next, we came to know about Neha that she brushes her teeth and gets dressed. Yes children, after washing her face, what does Neha do? Neha brushes her teeth and then gets ready for school. She wears her uniform. After that, she takes her favorite breakfast, upma. Yes children, here we got to know about Neha that her favorite breakfast is what children? Her favorite breakfast is upma. Okay children, got it? Okay. So children, after taking her breakfast, she packs her bag. Yes children, she packs her bag and goes to school. Yes children, see, you can see in the picture also now. Neha, after taking her breakfast, she packs her school bag and goes to school. And see children, after coming back from school, what does she do? Let's see. She comes back home from school and plays with her sister. Yes children, after coming back from her school, she plays with her sister. Okay, they make lots of fun, they enjoy together. Okay children? Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Here children, we will come to know about Neha. What does she do at night? She takes her dinner, brushes her teeth again, and takes bath. Yes children, I have told you yesterday also no, that Neha brushes her teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and the next at night after having her dinner. So here she says that she takes her dinner, brushes her teeth, and after that she takes bath. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. After taking bath, she goes to bed with her teddy. Yes children, after taking bath, she goes to bed with her teddy and reads her book, isn't it? So children, up to this we have read. So up to this, the daily routine of Neha ended. We have got to know about daily routine of Neha from morning till the night. Okay? So now children, let's go to the next slide so that we can do one textual question from your English textbook. Okay? So now children, this is your question number A. Okay children, let's see the question. Answer the questions. Circle yes or no. Okay children, you have to answer this question with yes or no. If the answer is yes, you circle yes. If the answer is no, you circle the no. Okay children, see? Yes, no, all are given here, no? Okay. Now let's see question number 1. Neha and Teddy wash their faces. Is it correct, children? Neha and Teddy wash their faces. Is it correct? No. Why I am saying no? Neha washes her face, but the Teddy, yes children, see? Neha washes her face, but the Teddy does not, isn't it? That's why our answer will be no. Okay children, got it? Okay. So, as our answer is no, what we will do now? We will circle the no. Okay children? Let's circle the no. Yes, see my circle is not good. Okay, but you can do properly, no? Okay. Now, let's go to number 2. Neha and Teddy brush their teeth. Yes, children. Neha and Teddy brush their teeth. Correct or not? Yes or no? Again a no. Why no? Neha brushes her teeth twice a day, but the Teddy does not brush, isn't it? That's why our answer is no. Got it, children? Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to circle the answer no. Okay? Let's try doing circling the noun. Oh, sorry, no. Yes, now it is little good, no? Okay. Now let's do number 3. Okay? Number 3. Neha goes to school, but Teddy does not go with her. Yes, children? Neha goes to school, but Teddy does not go with her. Yes or no? Yes, this answer is correct. Yes, Neha goes to school, but the Teddy does not go to school, no? That's why our answer is yes. Okay, now what we are going to do? Now we will circle yes. Okay, let's circle the yes. Okay, now it's good. Yes, yes. Okay, now children, which number we will do now? Number 4. After school, Neha plays with her brother. Yes, children. After coming back from school, does Neha play with her brother? No, isn't it? Neha plays with her sister. That's why our answer is what? No. No. Okay, children, understood? No? Okay. So now what we will do now? We will circle the answer, that is no. Why no? Because after coming back from school, Neha plays with her sister, not brother. Now number 5. After dinner, Neha brushes her teeth. Yes, answer is correct. Now children, after dinner, Neha brushes her teeth. Yes, in the morning and at night after having dinner. That's why our correct answer is yes. Y-E-S, yes. So now children, what we are going to do? We are going to circle the correct answer, that is Y-E-S, yes. So see, done. Now let's go to number 6. Teddy brushes his teeth too. Is it correct, children? Does the Teddy brush his teeth? No. The answer is no. So that's why what we will do now? We will circle the correct answer, that is no. Yes, children, answer is no. Now, last question, children. Number 7. Teddy comes to bed with Neha. Yes, answer is correct, no? At last, when we read the prose, what did we found? We found the Teddy with Neha on her bed, no? Yes, that's why our answer is yes. So what we are going to do now, children? We are going to circle the correct answer, that is Y-E-S, yes. Okay, so now children, Let's read this question and answer once again. Okay? Number 1. Neha and Teddy wash their face? No. Number 2. Neha and Teddy brush his teeth? No. Number 3. Neha goes to school, but Teddy does not go with her? Yes. Number 4. After school, Neha plays with her brother. No. She plays with her sister. Yes. Number 5. After dinner, Neha brushes her teeth? Yes. Number 6. Teddy brushes his teeth too? No. Last, number 7. Teddy comes to bed with Neha. Yes, the correct answer is Neha. Okay? So children got it? Okay. So children, you put this question in your textbook. Okay children? Okay. So children, this much for today. We shall meet again in our next video.